good. So last week I repaired the screen of this Nexus 5, and since I was comparing the huge factor of these 3 charging devices for the iPhone 5S and the iPhone SE, I thought it would be a good idea to check out if Android devices are able to take advantage of the power output of the 2 higher rated devices. So what we need is a cable, a discharged phone. It's around 8%. So, and we start with the basic iPhone charger. Good thing about Android devices, they use the tiny USB port, so every cable should work. Just plug it in. And we see it's already drawing 0.4 more than the iPhone. So we're trying the probably fake Samsung charger next. So come on, here we go. It's charging. Oi, oi, oi. Look at this, 6 watts, amazing. Yay, and finally we try the biggest one, the 12-watt iPad charger. Plug it in, fire it up, waiting till it's finished, and go. So what we see, the Nexus device is able to draw up to 6 watts of electricity from the chargers. So the smartphone is able to receive more energy, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the device is charged faster, because the battery is almost twice as big as the battery of the iPhone. This battery, for example, has 2300 milliamp hours, and if you compare it to the iPhone SE, which only has 1740 milliamp hours, so more milliamp hours means more charging time. So even though they can pump more energy in, it doesn't mean that it's charged faster to 100%. Basically we can say 5 watts, 6 watts, 6 watts, and this device is able to receive up to 6 watts of energy. As said before, the Android devices are able to charge with any standard USB-C charger, which means you can charge it with decent cables like this. So if I cut them, they will have a shielding, and then 4 decent wires and decent thickness, and they are able to transport the signals through longer distances. But you can also find something like this, or even that, which are cables. So I took one of them apart, and they are basically 2 wires without shielding, without anything, really tiny wires, just connecting the positive and the negative side, so you can transfer data with this cable. And they're just for charging tiny devices. So we saw the iPad charger was able to deliver up to 6 watts when using a decent cable. So now we see what happens if I use this crappy cable. So we plug it in there, we see it's charging, but now all of a sudden it's just drawing 4 watts. The other crappy cable was even worse, since it's longer. We plug it in, you see the phone thinks it's charging, but there's not much energy being drawn. It could happen that the battery even drops faster than it will be recharged. So what we can see in the end is 566, and don't take these, take a decent cable to charge your phone. So with the iPhone you won't have the problem, because they have their own lightning adapter. You have to pay like 100,000 euros per cable. They make sure it's decent quality, but if you buy ripped off cables, then no guarantee for anything. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.